Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make French toast in a cast iron skillet. Okay, so for this recipe you're going to need 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of milk, a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 eggs, pure maple syrup, and of course your bread, and I'm using French bread. Now in a large bowl, you're going to add your milk, your seasoning, and your orange juice, along with your vanilla extract. Go ahead and crack your eggs, and I'm cracking all 4. And I'm going to whisk this together until it's very well blended. Fun fact, French toast is the very first recipe I learned how to make. I made it in my 7th grade home economics class, and to this day I enjoy it, and I will pretty much have it breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I'll make it for others any time of the year and day. Go ahead and heat your cast iron skillet over medium heat. Now take your bread and coat it in the egg mixture until you have all your desired bread coated and ready to go in the cast iron skillet. You can choose to do this process as you go, but I just prefer this method. Now go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter to your skillet until it is melted, and then add your French toast to the skillet and flip it about every 2 to 3 minutes and cook the other side. The key to this is try to only flip it once, and then you're going to continue the process with the remaining bread. Now go ahead and add another pat of butter if you choose. You can top your French toast with maple syrup, powdered sugar, or fresh fruit. It's completely up to you, and the possibilities are endless. This is a perfect meal for any time of the day, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And if you enjoyed this recipe, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. And let me know if you guys try this recipe. I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys real soon.